Hey, so I am here to show you a mani in minutes. So I'm gonna do my mani so you can get an idea of how I put these on. So this is the package. I'm going to do ultraviolet agate. It is such a pretty color. Oh my God, it is beautiful and it is nice. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what the packaging looks like, everything. I've already filed my nails, pushed my cuticles back with this cuticle pusher, and with my nail buffer, which is my favorite tool. And I'm gonna show you what comes on the inside. So it has instructions right here, so you cannot go wrong. So if you need to know what to do, it's in here. There's like lots of information in here. Make sure you read it. So it comes with an alcohol prep pad, which you really need to use whenever you put these on. You need to wash your hands with some kind of soap, like dish soap, Dawn dish soap, or any dish soap, because that gets really the oils off. And then once you do that, then you're gonna put this on each finger. You're gonna open it up. I've already done it. Open it up, clean your nails. You'll be surprised at how dirty your nails really are. And then it comes with a nail file, a cute little nail file. They have all different colors, and then it comes with the set itself. So this is a total of 16. There's 8 of them. I'm gonna cut these open so you can see the inside, so you can see them. They're so pretty. They're so beautiful. This color, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know how long these are gonna be available. But anyway, it's part of the Stone collection. They're all beautiful. They're all amazing. And, but they all go on the same. So that was 2 sets of 8 making 16. So these are all the different sizes. These are the smaller sizes, and they get to the bigger. So I know this pinky's too small for me, but I'm gonna put this one. So you just measure it on your nail. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna save this for later because I don't need it. I barely use any nails, so because I probably use about five nails, because I'm gonna put some on my left hand, and then I'm gonna put some on my right hand. So I know this is my pinky for sure, and this one's my pointer finger. I'm gonna put that over there, and I'm just gonna continue to measure them and see which one is gonna be. That's gonna be my middle finger. I already know this big one is my thumb, totally, because I got fat thumbs. And then this one is gonna be my ring finger. Yeah, okay, so here we go. I'm gonna show you really quickly how to put these on. It won't take any time whatsoever. So this is the piece, okay? I'm gonna take off the clear coat. There's a clear coat here, as you can see. You peel off the clear coat like this. Easy to just slip right off. If you don't take this off, you will not be able to put on the nails, okay? So you gotta take that part off. And then here is the other piece. You pull this silver tab right here, and you take it off the backing, off the white backing, and then you just kind of like tug at it and take it off of this whole piece. And so it has rounded corners on both sides for your to go onto your cuticles, okay? So it's sticky on one side and dry on the other. And I'm gonna start with my pinky first, and then I'm just gonna lay it on top. I'm gonna get it as close as I can to the cuticle, but without touching the cuticle. You don't want it to go over onto your skin. You do not want it to touch your skin, okay? So there's one. That's how it looks, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and push it down over the edge like that, okay? And it's really pliable and easy, but I want to save this because I'm going to use it for my other finger, okay? So, but what I'm going to do, you can use your nail file, and you can file it like that, all the way around, and it'll just come right off. Or you can use your thumb, and I am gonna use my thumb. I'm just gonna push it underneath my nail like that, and I'm gonna use it, if you can see, I'm gonna put it like that and pull it like magic. So there you go, that's one finger done. Okay, and so you just push it all around like that, and then I'm gonna turn it around and use this other bit, this part, and I'm gonna put it on my other finger. Okay, you don't have to do it this way. If you have long fingernails, or you're wearing acrylics, or gel nail, or anything like that, you can use just one per finger. Totally up to you how you do it. I'm just doing it this way because it works this way. I have short fingers. Really, I don't have long nails. That's what it comes down to. I have pretty short nails, which is perfect for me because then I can use one on each nail. Okay, I'm gonna keep going, but I'm gonna show you how these work. They last 2 weeks. So I'm gonna take off this clear again. Take off this clear. Don't forget to take off the clear. I'm gonna say that over and over every single time because I know people that have done that. I've done that. So then you take off the other bit and you just pull it apart. It's very pliable. And then you use it, and I'm just gonna put this on my other finger. I'd show you if I could. Maybe if I stand up, you can see it a little bit better. See how I put that on like that? Okay, kind of get the idea. And then I'm gonna just push it over the edge like that, and I'm gonna perforate it with my thumb. I'm just gonna put my thumb underneath my nail, and I'm just gonna pull it apart like that. See how that's kind of like sticky? And then I'm gonna do it to the other side. I'm gonna push it down, and then I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna do my thumb again underneath, like so. I wanna push it underneath so that it goes underneath my nail and it doesn't chip on the edge. So if there's excess, you could always leave it there for a little bit until it cures, and then file it, take it off. So that's 2 so far. Like, these are so awesome. If I ever have any left over, I give them to my daughter. Here, take off the clear. You're gonna learn this really quickly. It's super easy, super fast, nothing to be afraid of, okay? Like, these are awesome. They last me 2 weeks. They can last, but I mean, I don't ever want to wear them for that long because I always want to put on a different color. I can't help it. So take off that. Because there's so many to choose from. Oh my God. Like, look at all the different sets. I mean, there's so many, right? So, I'm gonna put this on my middle finger, as close to the cuticle as possible, but not on it, not on my skin. Not sure if you can see that. And then you just push it down to the edge like that. And then, you gotta watch out that it's not like sticking on itself. I'm just gonna pull this one out a little bit more. Okay, and then use the other part and just put it on top of your nail. And then voila, like magic. And then you just push it down underneath like that, and that's done. So I have 3 nails done so far. I just need 2 more. So you take off the clear. I already did it. I'm trying to go fast here because it's not. Take off this. It's actually 100% fingernail polish. So it smells like fingernail polish, and you can take it off like real fingernail polish with fingernail polish remover. And I like to use, because my favorite are the glitters. And you know, I don't know if you know anything about fingernail polish, but when you use the glitters, oh my God, they are a little bit more difficult than the solids than a solid color coat of color to take off. So my favorite thing that I like to use is this, called Mineral Fusion. I love it. There's a link in my bio on my Instagram, actually on my website, that shows where you can get it. But I'm sure, I mean, or where I get mine. Okay, I'm just gonna do my other one. Push it down and push it out. So you just like push it out around the edges. Make sure there's no bubbles or anything like that. It takes 30 minutes to cure, but ultimately I could get up and go right now. Like if I really wanted to, like I could wash my hands and be fine. But if you want them to last a little bit longer, I'd like to like stay away from washing dishes or doing anything like that, jumping into the pool or the hot tub or whatever, because you want them to set. And they're fine now. Like I can totally go to the toilet and I have like dry fingers. I can wipe my butt. I can pet my dog. You know, I can do anything. Take off the clear. This is my thumb. It's the last one. And take off the other part from with the silver tip thing. And then I'm gonna put it on my thumb. This one's my thumb. So sometimes I can't get a whole thumb on two thumbs on two fingers. Sometimes I have to use one nail strip for my thumb, two nail strips for my thumb is what it really I'm saying. Because, well, let's see if I can just use this one. We'll see. Yes, it worked. Okay, awesome. All right, so yeah, so that's it. You can put these on super quick. They're really easy. If you want a sample to try before you buy, let me know and I'll send you a sample. I'll put the website below. I think it's samples.angelahydernails.com. But also you could just go to angelahydernails.com and you'll find some tutorials and more information there. But I will put the link down as well. And that is it. Look how pretty these are. I don't even know how to say these, but they're so beautiful. Ultraviolet. Wow. Yeah. So that's it. That was my Manny in minutes. How easy was that? If you have any questions, reach out to me. I can answer anything you need, and you can check out my website, and it has everything else on there. It even has like stuff that I like. It's called Nail Addict must-haves. And so it's a lot of the things that I got that I really love, like the fingernail polish, the cuticle stick, these things as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope you try these nails and you love them just as much as I do. Bye.